hello, nosy people. So come I'm go now, nice look to I'm a penthouse, beach house, vacation stay. So first of all, I mean I understand why my family them no pick up them bag off of the floor. Them one man trip, kiss my teeth. All right, over here so you have the settee them, is at the living room. Cameraman, come. Over here so you have bathroom number one. Sister, me nah share bathroom with you, so you go stay over here so with everybody else. So yeah, it nice, I'm clean and pretty. Over here so when I need to see that a bedroom one. Come, cameraman, come the man, over here, so. When I say over here, so, come, wait, on ready, on ready, come. Over here, so, at the king-size bathroom. Hold me, queer. You can't keep but 1, 2, 3, 10 sweeters me keeping ya, so. It nice and spacious, can't know, say me at the original Jamaican boss, baby Royce. Man, no share bathroom with nobody. So yeah, this make for the king, so this is my bathroom over here, so. And then come, cameraman, it's at the king-size bedroom with ocean view. Yeah, me can't jump on it right now, but yeah, come, over here, sir. Man,